Yeah, so head in there, go up, make a right on JFK, and head down to Jason. They'll flag you in, but me and Randy are going to hang back a little bit.
All right, sounds good.
All right, see you.
All right, man. Later. Well, guys, change of plans. So we just found out that they need the steel plates off my trailer for the assist crane. So time for me to head on in. The other guys are gonna hold back, I guess. So we're gonna roll in solo. Can't really give them four-wheelers too much effort on their own. You kind of just got to take it from them because they won't give it to you. They'll take it from you, so you got to do what you got to do. Now, I think that right lane ends, so I could probably go this way.
He said bang right on JFK and then just stay back like by 17th, like before 17th Street.
I was gonna say something to him to let him know I could hear him, but it really don't matter. All right, there, sir. I gotta come over a little bit.
Joe's.
I hear you.
Shoo! You must have that sparks turned all the way to the moon.
No, sir. I just wasn't gonna bother you boys.
I was calling you since we got on 676 on the radio.
Oh yeah, I didn't hear all that.
Hey, you report to Alex or not report back to you? Yeah, I'm gonna tell him that he was too busy on YouTube.
We're gonna give it to old Smokey Bear over here.
Yeah, he fixed them.
Oh yeah. Should we get him again? You.
Yeah, I hear you.
Loud and clear.
Loud and halfway queer.
Halfway queer. Is that you guys with the strobes on back here? Alright, 10-4.
How the fuck did you see us?
I got mirrors on this truck. I really wish I could put like real music in my videos for you guys. Like In the City by Joe Walsh right now would be perfect. You know, I always think of that and it works, but I can't do it. Oh, this guy threw the lights on. I can throw mine on. He's shutting it down.
Is that you straight away?
Alright, we got people.
That would be him.
He's waving me on. Look, he's nice. Thank you, sir. He told them people to wait. That's awesome. Now, I don't know if I could cut around all these cars, or are they funneling the traffic around the crane? I don't know what move to make just yet, so I don't want to make the wrong move. He just shut it down. Look, here he comes again. What you gonna do? Throw the lights on, man? You gonna give me an escort on through here? Is that what we're doing? I don't know. Thank you, sir. Man, that guy's not happy. don't know where I'm supposed to go here. I don't know. I wasn't told. I should have just stayed in line with these guys. I didn't know. Maybe that's what I should have did. I can't back up now. But I didn't want to risk, you know, not being able to pull up either. Well, he's pulling up now. All right. I'm going to get out and try to put a handle on the situation. I think that's the right move. Get back with you guys in a bit. I'm trying to give you guys a little something before I can't. But the other trucks are back there on the other side of those cops. They're waiting. We have all the mats and such for the assist crane going on. We're going to get this thing set up so we can bring in the big boy and start putting her together. I'll film every chance I get, but not much to see just setting these plates on the ground, so I will get back to you guys when the action happens. Friend made it out here. They're gonna pull me up in front of the other truck there and drop my trailer and go back for another. So we'll do a little bit of trucking and roll on. Busy, busy. So I just dropped my trailer and now I'm heading back for another. Shouldn't be too bad. By the time I get back, they should have the, I would assume the big crane that we're building up on mats and such by then. I'm not 100% sure. But yeah, pretty easy deal here. I gotta tuck my airlines under that bungee cord, I forgot. The bus might be upset that I'm going, but everybody else did it. It's not my fault you can't fit. I, my friend, can fit. Oh yeah. I ain't got no panties on.
I got the big panties on. Shut the f*** up. Drop that trailer, baby, come on. Shut up. You bullshit.
Yeah, right on Arch, left on 10th. As always, that's for you guys. It's not necessary, but for the video's sake, we'll play the Jake. That rhymed. Man, not bad. I should time this light. Oh. I was a little hot on the shift. I didn't do too great. but I beat everybody out. Win-win. All right, guys, well, we're back in the city with our second load. I have 2 nugget-style counterweights and a section of boom on top of those with a little piece inside of that boom. And I don't know if I'm going to be able to pull back into the job the same way. This next light is JFK Boulevard, where we're going to make this right, and the crane is next block down, or 2 blocks down. I've talked to the guys since then, and nobody said anything, so I'd assume it's still the same way in, and that's all good. Hopefully that's the case. But I do have the 360 up on top of the tractor, so you guys can get a look around. I don't know if they're going to unload me right away, or sit the stuff off to the side, or am I going to be waiting? I have no idea what's going on. So I wanted to keep everything off the trailer, because when you pull up, these guys start putting hands on the trailer real quick, and then next thing you know, my camera's in the way, and I don't want to make a mess of the situation. So it's easier just to hide it on the truck, and they don't even know it's there. So obviously the cops have it blocked off. Most of the traffic cleared out, which is good. Now all right, so I see the crane. It's not even like boomed up yet. Now we got a load of counterweights right here. So I'd assume they're not ready for me at all. So I'm just gonna dive up behind this guy. I'm gonna parallel park this bad girl, I believe. I think that makes the most sense. I did a little bit of a poor job. I'm not the straightest as I'd like to be, but I'm in there. I could probably straighten it out with a little backup right here. I mean, I'm straight now, but I like to be parallel with the curb. I don't know why I always have to try to be so perfect, but it's a habit. It's the way it is, my OCD. My dad hates it. But all right. We're good. We're parked up. It's gonna be a little bit, I would assume. So I'll walk up there, see what I can capture for you guys on my phone and such. See you guys in a bit. So the big piece they're setting on the crane now is called the base weight. And then all the nuggets stack on top of that. So that's kind of like the main center housing, and then all the weights stack up on that. And that's the counterweight that allows the crane to do its job. Some of you probably know it, some don't, so I just figured I'd give you that. I don't know all the details or all the fancy terms or the best explanations. I'm no professional, but I built a few of them and have an idea how it works. But like I said, I'm nowhere near professional or anything about cranes or nothing like that. So don't hold me to nothing, okay? Fair game. Those are the nugget weights that stack on top of that base plate. I don't know if they go 6 high or so, I forget, but that's how that works. I gotta help unstrap this trailer here and get things unloaded, so no more camera for now, but I'll get on it best I can. Not that you guys can see everything, but it's my turn to get unloaded. So as you guys can see, like I said, I got the boom on top and then there's nuggets underneath. I'll pick these off and I'll figure out what I do next. I may get sent home. I may get another trailer. I have no idea. So see how this goes down. If I get sent home, it sucks. I missed the rest of the build, but I mean, I guess I can't complain, right? Who wants to work more? Me sometimes. One said stop, one said go. Oh boy. Well, they cut me loose, so I'm done. I'm just hanging out. Ren's pulling up now. We're gonna get his load unloaded, and then we're gonna roll out together. I'm gonna try to put the 360 camera on his truck or trailer. That way you guys can kind of get a good look at my truck rolling through the city. So, see if it works out. yeah. Time to get back to work. Well, guys, we're picking up these last couple pieces off a wrench trailer. Then I'm going to stick the 360 on his and we're going to roll out. So I think that's going to be it for filming. There's not much else to see. We're going to make 3 simple picks here, or 2, and then roll out. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Enjoy the cool footage of us rolling out, and see you guys in the next one. Well, before I go, I want to say the point of this video was the crane. So to try to give you an idea, that might be full weight, maybe not full weight, but at least for this deal. And then that super lift goes on behind the boom, and then this luff and these pieces of lattice boom, they go on as well as a jib extension off the end there on the top. So these boys will be here for another couple hours putting the rest of these pieces on. And yeah, they look really cool all set up. Maybe I'll post a picture of one that's built so you guys can understand what it would look like all said and done. But that's what it is. But luckily for us, we're getting ready to roll out of here. So yeah, as I said before, I'll see you guys in the next one. Well, before we could pick the pieces off of Ren's trailer, we started putting this boom together. So yeah, it's just all pins, get knocked into the holes, pretty simple deal. But yeah, that's what we got going on. We're almost, this is a big block. It's about a city block, I'd say. This is a pretty long one, so don't count. But either way, yeah, that's what we got going on.
Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, brother. Over and out.